So here we have the new 2014 Loncin diesel engine. There's been a few changes here compared to other diesels or Chinese diesels on the market. A lot of them just have copied Yanmar in the past. This isn't a copy of Yanmar, and the fact is there's no decompression lever here at the start. So if you were pull starting, for example, pull starting, you would just put down the governor there. You don't have to mess about with decompression levers, just one long pull. And also here we've got a nice little oil alarm light down here, which indicates that you know, if she's running that light on, you'll know she's low in oil. Gives you a wee bit of a heads up then. Add a bit of oil. This pump here in particular is an interpump. It's one of the Evo 3 interpumps. It's 1450 RPM. It's a 21 litre pump. You can see here it's ran by two pulleys and a belt, which is the really only way to go for diesels, because this belt absorbs all the tension, all the torque that this little key would give in the shaft. So it does away with all your problems, gearbox is cracking, and it does away with all your wear on your engine shaft there. So that's definitely the way to go for a diesel anyway. So let's fire up and show you where we're going. So okay, first thing we do, right here, this is your off, this is your on. Basically just to stop the machine when it's running, just you loosen that and it'll just spring up and stop. But to get her going, just set your revs. Say set at about 3/4 there. If you're a lazy man like myself, just like a wee key start, just so with this machine, as it's a 21 litre version, we'll have this return to tank bypass system. So when you let go of the trigger, the water comes back via this second hose to the tank. So the machine's always pumping fresh water. With the machine, we'll supply you with two stainless steel high pressure nozzles, giving you different fan jets, and you also get this German-made Suttner turbo nozzle. So that all sits in that little bracket there. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for listening. Bye.